Hi everyone, I'm going to make a pair of earrings today, and this is for beginners. So I'm going to use a head pin. It's like 20 gauge. It's really thick wire. So we're going to use this 20 gauge gold plate head pin, and we are going to make a quick little easy pair of earrings. So this is for new people out there that are just getting into jewelry making today. Just a simple little, putting on a 6mm bead and an 8mm spacer. And this bead is green on one side and yellow on the other. And it is about 8 millimeters. Another spacer, another green bead. And so then we'll do it again. Get our green bead. I put green with it because of the green spot on that one side. Oops, I forgot the spacer. And you don't have to put spacers in. I just think it looks better with them. It just breaks it up a little bit. And there we go. Now, this I'm going to hold, since it's thick, we're just going to cut it. But if it was thin and bendy middle, we would roll it down and twist it around, and you can see that on my other videos. And I am going to cut it just a little bit less than a 1/2 inch. It can be a 1/2 inch, you're just going to have a bigger loop. Hold it at the bottom and bend it over. Now see, this wire, it don't have much give to it, so and then we'll cut this one. Whoops, at least that landed on the table. Alright, then we take our round nose pliers, and you can find them on Amazon, and I think you might be able to find them at Harbor Freight, but I'm not sure. You just have to look. I'm not affiliated with anybody, so I don't have any. Oh, I bought these years ago. These are that brand. But that was probably 20 years ago, so they might not even make that brand anymore. This is just a simple pair, and if you bought you all kinds of beads you liked and made you several different pairs, you could have a pair for every day of the week. Alright, now you take your ear wire, hold it here and hold it here, and twist it open. And you'll have to hold that little bead with your finger. And then you take your earring or your dangle, put it on there, pull that bead back, and twist it shut. And make sure that both this one and this one, the loop is closed. Because if you don't, then your bead or your earring can come apart. Alright, now hold your bead back, twist this open. Keep holding on to that bead. And you can find some without beads on them. You just have to look. And then twist it back. Make sure it's closed. And there you have a set of earrings. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.